Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example number 13. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. Actually this problem, it is the example before exercise 11.4. For solving them, we need to use certain formulas. Those are, you may use formulas of reciprocals. Reciprocal formulas can be used. Reciprocal means we can call them as multiplicative inverse also, or we may use identities. Trigonometric identities can be used. Like that, various formulas are there. According to the situation, you need to pick up the formula. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us start now. Consider LHS, left hand side part of the problem. Here tell me what is LHS? Cot theta plus tan theta. Better, first we can convert cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Same way tan theta also in terms of sin theta and cos theta. What is the formula of cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta?
Cos theta by sin theta.
Yes, cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. In the same way, what is tan theta?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Sin theta by cos theta. As here there are two fractions, we can take the LCM. Here what will be the LCM?
Sin theta into cos theta.
Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Here you see, this denominator sin theta will cancel sin theta cos theta times. Or in other words, you can say, you can close this sin theta and sin theta. Here what is left?
Cos theta.
Here what is left?
Cos theta.
Cos theta and cos theta.
Cos square.
Cos square theta plus sin theta and sin theta.
Sin square.
Sin square theta. Here opposite every step you can write the formula what you have used. Here we have used the formula as cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta, and tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. These are the formulas we have used here. Now from the trigonometric identities, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
Is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So simply cos square theta plus sin square theta also will be 1 only. So here let us take that as the reason. Here since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so we can replace this value with 1. So let us write this as 1 by, let us write this one as it is. Say no? Sin theta into cos theta. Now here we are going to split it as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Just check once. 1 into 1 is 1. Sin theta into cos theta is sin theta cos theta. So it can be splitted like this. Now here under reciprocals formulas, what is 1 by sin theta? Cosecant theta. It is cosecant theta. And same under reciprocals, what is 1 by cos theta?
Secant theta.
It is secant theta. You see here in the answer what we want? Secant theta and cosecant theta. Here we got cosecant theta and secant theta. Of course both are the same. It is just multiplication. So we can rewrite it as secant theta into cosecant theta. But here you do remember that. Write the formula here. What formula you have applied? You have written in place of 1 by sin theta, you have written cosecant theta. And in place of 1 by cos theta, you have written secant theta. These are the formulas we applied. So here you observe secant theta and cosecant theta. What we need to show? So this is what RHS. So when we take LHS, we got RHS. So we can write hence proved. With this example 13 gets completed. Now we see example number
14.
show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Clear? So here first let us consider LHS. Here what is the left hand side? Tan power tan square theta plus tan power
4 theta.
4 theta. Here let us take tan square theta common in both. If you take tan square theta common here you observe this is tan square theta, that is what you are taking as common. So here what will come? 1 will come. Clear? Plus tan power 4 theta means that is tan square theta into tan square theta. 1 tan square theta is taking as common. So 1 more tan square theta is left. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you just compare this step with the answer. This step includes or it is in terms of tan theta, but we need the answer in terms of secant theta. Can you tell me there is an identity, trigonometric identity, which has secant theta and tan theta? What is the identity?
Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1.
Right. The identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here let us send this minus tan square theta that side, minus tan square theta to right side. Then what happens? Here secant square theta is left. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Is it clear? So here in this step, in place of 1 plus tan square theta, we can write secant square theta. And now what about tan square theta? From this step, you keep the tan square theta that side and send this one this side. Then it will become secant square theta minus 1. Is it clear? Now we are going to use these formulas in the next step. Right. Now here in place of tan square theta we are going to write this. So what can we write? Secant square theta minus 1. In place of tan square theta we are writing secant square theta minus 1 into, here this is the reason since I am keeping into. In place of 1 plus tan square theta, what can be written?
Secant square theta.
Only secant square theta. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Now let us multiply these two terms with the secant square theta. Secant square theta into secant square theta becomes
Secant power 4 theta.
secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta is secant square theta. You observe what is to be proved? Secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. That is what here we got. So we can write here it is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now we see example number 15. Prove that under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So here let us start this solving this problem from here. Consider LHS. Here what is LHS? Under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Here for solving it I would like to tell you a small thing you keep in mind. Here what symbol is there here? Plus is there. So here in the answer also? In this case we need to do rationalizing factor for the denominator. Is it clear? Here if both the symbols get matched, here is plus, then we need to find rationalizing factor for the denominator. The meaning is that we should not disturb the numerator. Is it clear? So here we need to write rationalizing factor So here I am writing in shortcut, I am writing RF by RF. In fact, it is RF of denominator. Now here for writing the rationalizing factor, it's very easy. Simply we can change the symbol minus, it will become plus. Now here can you tell me what is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus cos theta?
1 plus cos theta by
Yes, here we should multiply with 1 plus cos theta and divide also 1 plus cos theta. So here let us write it. First let us write the given one, that is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. With this, for this we have to multiply with rationalizing factor of the denominator, that is here it is 1 minus cos theta. Its rationalizing factor is 1 plus cos theta, and divide also, we should divide with the same. That means any expression can be multiplied and divided with the same quantity. Clear? Now here let us multiply numerator and numerator. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta can be written as 1 plus cos theta whole square. 1 plus cos theta whole square. Simple it is, you see here x into x, like x square. Same way here you see 1 plus cos theta, and here also we have 1 plus cos theta, so it is 1 plus cos theta whole square. By here you just imagine this as a plus b into a minus b. You just imagine it as a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b?
A square plus B.
A square minus b square. Here a means 1, so you are writing a square means 1 square minus b square is cos theta whole square. It can be written as cos square theta. Clear? Let us maintain the square root as it is. Here the formula what we have applied, here we have applied as a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That formula is applied here. Now let us split the square root for both numerator and denominator. So here I am writing under root 1 plus cos theta whole square by, clear, again under root 1 minus cos square theta, because 1 square is 1, right? Now let us move this side. Here you have to observe carefully, this square is there for this full quantity, so square and root both get cancelled. So here what we get here, numerator 1 plus cos theta by, from the trigonometric identities we have an identity, that is sin square theta. The identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us send cos square theta that side. So here sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Is it clear? So based on this formula, now here I am going to change 1 minus cos square theta as sin square theta. Again square root is also there, so here we can write 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta under root. Sin square theta can be written as sin theta whole square, so the square and root get cancelled. So let us write it clearly, 1 plus cos theta by sin square theta I am writing as sin theta whole square. Here it is under root. Now here this root and square they both get cancelled. Now here what is left? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Here you observe, in the numerator we have two terms. One is number 1 and another one is cos theta. But in denominator only one term, that is sin theta. Single denominator can be splitted. That means this sin theta can be splitted for both. So here it can be written as, say 1 by sin theta plus again
Cos theta by sin theta.
yes, cos theta by sin theta. So let us write here, it is 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Now here reciprocals formulas. We have 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta, and cos theta by sin theta can be written as
Cot theta.
cot theta. So based on these formulas, these are the formulas. Based on these, we can change the step. Now tell me, 1 by sin theta becomes
Cosecant theta.
cosecant theta plus cos theta by sin theta becomes
Cot theta.
cot theta. Observe here what is to be proved.
Cosecant theta.
Plus cot theta. Here what we got?
Cosecant theta plus cot theta.
So if we take LHS, here we have reached RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. You can write hence proved. With this, example 15 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.